Mr. Shantanu Pathak's views on this. From an engineer startup, how do you take that India needs to, what kind of initiatives India needs to take in terms of reducing our dependency of 85% imports and a 42,000 crore rupee import bill?
Well, points covered by Abhinav and Parag already on innovation perspective, and also adding from the engineering perspective. There are immense opportunities for us. So any problem you pick up, we have millions of patients or potential customers who will need intervention for. Now, this very much excites when an innovator or engineer from a college or school think about the problem statement. Now, going from that lab idea to a point where we can build this product is one journey. And I think India as a country have really done great job in last 5 years with the support from DBT, BIRAC, Department of Science and Technology. I have personally received a lot of support on this front, and these efforts are ongoing. The second journey from building the prototype or MVP or proof of concept to getting into the market is very exciting and challenging at the same time. So as an entrepreneur or first generation entrepreneur, we learn a lot of things, but making it a successful product which is accepted and adopted has a lot of steps. So there are few components which I felt I should bring in. One is the validation, clinical validation processes and platforms. We need a good grid of these facilities. If as an innovator I want to get into the ethics committee and from there to testing my product, ethics committee discussions have gone from 1 month of discussion to almost 12 months of discussion for some of the startups. So we need a better platforms to accelerate this process, and for that medical colleges, medical institutions and engineering institutions need to work very closely. However, both the DNA of the both institutions are really different. So some programs which are initiated are going to be really helpful. So collaboration is going to play a huge role in initiating the ideas where problems are realistically identified, and beyond just innovation component, the clinical validation and journey from validation to market need to be accelerated, and without that we will not be able to catch up the speed. So whatever limited number of companies are manufacturing today in India, if we really need to bring the Atmanirbhar Bharat, we need to bring this young youth generation who is going into the medical field, but we need to create a platform where they can accelerate their efforts and reach out to the point where they can bring the product to the market. And that journey has to reduce. Typically it's 7 to 9 years. Can we bring it down? That's typical challenge that we will face if we do not work on validation platforms and opportunities for Indian companies.